Top 5 Best Baby Food Maker. The 5 Best Baby Food Maker in Present Time. We are going to check out 5 Best Baby Food Maker quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I try to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, NutriBullet NBY5010 Baby Complete Food Making System. Price, $61.99 and free returns. Color blue, material silicone, plastic, brand NutriBullet, voltage 230 volts, wattage 200 watts. Number 2, equals Baby Food Maker Baby Food Processor Puree Blender Multi-Function Steamer Grinder Blender. Price, $99.99 and free returns. Intelligent operation? The baby food steamer and blender provide you with a truly intelligent operation. Just press the automatic button, and the baby food processor can complete the steaming and mixing work for you, eliminating tedious and redundant steps. Number 3, Baby Food Maker Chopper Grinder, Mills and Steamer 8-in-1 Processor for Toddlers, Steam, Blend. Price, $109.11 and free returns. Brand Homia, material plastic, color white, blade material stainless steel, item dimensions LXWXH 12.6x 9.06x 6.69 inches. Number 4, Baby Food Maker Baby Food Processor Blender Grinder Steamer. Price, $124.97 and free returns. Brand EVLAs, very simple and easy to use. Create fresh, healthy, homemade baby food with a touch of a button. Forget juggling multiple pots and pans while your precious bundle of joy is screaming in the corner. Number 5, Dual Meal Station Food Maker 6-in-1 Food Processor with Steam Cooker. Price, $154.49 and free returns. Brand Baby Move, color gray, wattage 500 watts, voltage 230 volts, item dimensions LXWXH 8x 10x 14 inches. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.